Hello, I'm c.a.rubik. Today I will show you how to finish the 3x3 Rubik Cube. On the first part I showed you how to finish one side, but today I will show you how to finish. Let's get started. Okay, first we should do the second layer, or these four pieces, 1, 2, 3, first and 4. We should find pieces like this, don't have yellow. Here we have red and blue. We put the red on the red. Now it's blue here and the center blue is on the right. If the center blue is on the right and the color it's blue, we do the next algorithm. If it's on the right, we do D prime, R prime, D, R. Now, like we see, we destroyed this piece. And the white is here right now. We do like I showed you on the first part. If the white is on the left, we do the next algorithm. D, L, D prime, L prime. And now we fix the white and we fix this piece like you see there. Now we will do another piece like this. It's red, it's green and orange. We put the green on the green. It's orange. The center orange, it's on the left this time. If it's on the left, we do the next algorithm. D, L, D prime, L prime. And it will happen like before. We damage this piece there. If we put the white facing us, if it's on the right, we do the next algorithm. D prime, R prime, D, R. We fix the white and we fix this piece. We still have this, we should fix it, and this we should fix it. We find a piece like this, green and red, because it don't have the yellow color. Green and red, we put the green on the green. It's red, the center red is there, it's on the right. We do the next algorithm if it's on the right. D prime, R prime, D, R. We destroyed this piece. We put the white facing us and we do the next algorithm if it's on the left. D, L, D prime, L prime. We fix there and we fix this piece. We still have one. It should be orange and the blue, orange and the blue. It's there, orange and the blue. We put the blue on the blue. Center orange is there, it's on the right. If it's on the right, we do the next algorithm. I will repeat it. D prime, R prime, D, R prime. We put the white facing us and we do the next algorithm. D, L, D prime, L prime. And now like you see, we finished the second layer. Okay, sometimes we have like this. We finish it all, but we have this piece, it's flipped there. We do like before, the same algorithm. We put it on the right and we do the next algorithm. R prime D R. We put the white facing us. If it's on the left, we do the next algorithm. D L D prime L prime. This piece now it's on the down section there, and we do like before, orange and orange, green, the green is on the right. We do the next algorithm. D prime R prime D R, and we put the white facing us. If it's on the left, we do the next algorithm. D L D prime L prime. Okay, now after we finish the second layer, we will go to the third layer. Okay, we should do a cross. Here this shape is L shape. We hold it one on our right and one facing us, and always yellow is on the up. And we do the next algorithm. F R up R prime up prime F prime. And now we have the bar. We put it like this, not like this, like this. And we do the same algorithm. I will repeat it. F R U R prime U prime F prime. And now we have the cross. Now we should complete this color. It should be all orange, all blue, all red and all green. Here we have to complete it. They will always have to complete it. Okay, if we didn't find it, we just turn it to have to complete and to not complete. We put one facing us and one on our right, not complete, and we do the next algorithm. R U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime, and we turn the up section one time to the right and we have it all completed. Okay, now we should do the corners. We should put it first on the right places. Like there, we have orange, yellow and green. We should put it between yellow, orange and green. Yani it's mean this, we should put it there. Okay, and all pieces we should put it on their place. If no one it's on their place, we hold it any way you want and we do the next algorithm. L prime up R U prime L U R prime. and we turn the top to complete this. We don't want to damage them. Okay, now we should have one, it's complete, like there. We have orange, blue and yellow. It's between orange, blue and yellow. These are not on their places yet. When we find one correct, we put it on our right, like there, it's on my right. And we do the same algorithm. L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, and U prime. Now these are completed and these are on their places. Orange, blue, yellow, between orange, blue and yellow. Green, red and yellow, it's between green, red and yellow. Now we will turn these pieces and it's the last algorithm. If we have two pieces like there, we put one on our right and one our left, but on the back, and we do the next algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. Now we will have the L shape also. We put two uncompleted on our right and one uncompleted on our left, and we do the same algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. And we have the same these two, and we repeat the same algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. And now we have only two. We put them on our right and we do the same thing. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. And now our 3x3 Rubik's Cube, it's completed. Okay, sometimes we got like this. The two color is the same. Like there we have blue and blue on the up section. If we have it like this, we turn the cube and we hold it like this. It was like this. We turn it to get these two not the same color up and on our right, and we do the same algorithm. R, u2 r prime u prime r u prime r prime l prime u2 l u l prime u l, and it will be finished. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.